Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert the trademark symbol on your Microsoft Office Word web. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So in this video, I'm just going to show how to insert the trademark symbol on your Microsoft Office Word web. You just go to the insert option here. Now you just click on the symbol option here. So there is here total of 20 symbols has been making as default symbol, which is so important symbols. So here you can see the trademark sign here. Just click this. So you just need to bigger in size. So okay, so now you can type whatever for a trademark. So you can see the trademark symbol as inserted here by using this option. Just go to the insert option here, then click on the symbols. You can just see the TM here. This is trademark symbol that inserted. I think this video helped you a lot. If it really helped you a lot, like this video, share this video with your friends, and don't forget to click on the subscribe button below. If you want more content about Microsoft Office Word web, you just follow this channel. We will meet on next video with this valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.